Remember say Alkaline career peak from 2016, you know, got higher than that, you know.
I'm best
And I'm best year that time career, but guess what? You have a lot of delusional people who say, yo, the man peak this or dog. Almost. Watch out now.
Understand that, bro.
2026 are forward, right? 10 years later, right? So I tell me say, your peak, your boss 2013, and within 3 years, your peak, and you tell me say, from 2016, you can't go up on a different level, bro.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox.
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. No thing said. Kris Genius, aka Mega Mine. We don't know, say, Cartel post you a few times and you sheep out. And we understand, because we're not a credible vlogger, you know. Anybody can post on out and fan on out and all of them things. They phone forward out and chat some madness on the internet. You understand? And drink up on a bag of rum, frost out. Yeah, man. But, people, must say one bag of thing. But look at now, you see 2026, Media Fox, nah, ease on up. Me I tell you that. I touch, I me say, anything run up dead. Me I tell you no because you no feel like say, you go say everything and get away. You know, Media Fox things that already, we not play. You understand? Fan the people themselves deal with, we are going to deal with it. Yeah. So people, you see Kris Genius run out. Because look at a year start, you know. You understand? The year start. Because I remember, you know, before, you know, he never did a rep Cartel, you know, since Cartel forward out and post him up 2 times. You understand? Cartel, you prison. One bag of thing him chat. And you usually rate Alkaline. Then for Cartel co-signing everything change. But we know a thing said. You understand? Them not militant. You see anybody can buy them out. But one of them things. But look at now. Him run out now. 2020. He want a little viral moment, you know. But you don't know Alkaline are the man. If you not call Alkaline name and you vlog them, it don't make no sense. Nobody upload no video for Alkaline. You see me? Yeah. We don't know Alkaline. But people, you're a Mega Mine, I say.
Masicka need to go war blood clot Alkaline. Alkaline was 2013. Masicka was 2 years later.
But to be frank, everybody know the war we want to sing a dance.
And then you say war we want to see. And the war we need for him.
Yeah, war we need for him. And they might beat anybody.
Because remember say Alkaline career peak from 2016, you know, got higher than that, you know. I'm best year that time career, but guess what? You have a lot of delusional people who say, yo, the man peak this or dog. Almost. Watch out now.
Understand that, bro.
People, hear that fool. Hear him now.
2026 are forward, right? 10 years later, right? So I tell me say, your peak, your boss 2013, and within 3 years, your peak, and you tell me say, from 2016, you can't go up on a different level, bro.
Why, man, I tell you, say, yo, them money are mad. Brother, it's one of them on the podcast. Stop your drinking, dog. Stop your drinking, brother. I look like too much powder in the drink. First of all, I know 10 years. 13 years, brother. From 2016 to 2026, yeah. And when you're going to say a next level, I don't understand what you mean. Because this is a problem, you know. We don't realize, you know. We don't live in a delusional world. Right? Tell me the artists were boss from after 2013. Which one of them artists were boss after 2013? They pan the level of Alkaline there. How much of them can sold out the arena right now? How much of them every show them go sold out with big numbers? Tell me which one of artists them. How much of artists them have the amount of hit song where Alkaline have? We not talk about no hot song, we are talk about hits. We are talk about catalog. You understand? Can we realize with Uno, you know, Uno wishy-washy in a dog. You understand? Because the way you usually talk back then, everything changed now. You get a look up few posts. But tell me the artists were boss from 2013 reach pan a level. Because you talk about next level. I don't know what you mean by next level, bro. Alkaline thing no normal, bro. Different levels. It's like uno blind. Uno really blind, bro. Tell me which artists were boss from 2013 we have a show we are sold out across the world. Tell me which artists, because you talk about different level, you know. And you talk about next level, you know, going to next level. Not even Masicka. None of them, Tommy lead all of them. None of them, brother. So we're not talk about different levels. Think before we talk, brother. You understand? Cause we not go forward out here and make some talk, and that's how I rate intelligent vloggers, you know. Yeah, man. I'm not talking off a bias, cause look at now. Through your swing pan the little Gaza side, fine. But when you go talk about a youth, cause you are talk about next level. Which artist reach the level with Alkaline there after 2013 when Alkaline bust? Tell me which artist. You understand? Tell me which artist. Seeing? Because this are the thing. Nobody bring up Skilly Bang. Nobody bring up Skilly Bang. Because Skilly Bang is just a puppet. Skilly Bang can't sold out nowhere by himself. You understand? Him not do no arena. We don't know him as no crowd puller. You understand? Him drop albums, different things. A Calabar save him right now. But we are talking about different levels. We are talking about branding, structure. We are talking about shows we are keep internationally. We are sold out, new rules. And you are going to talk about the levels? Eh? A youth we go UK where they are sold out Wellbeing Arena. And you are going to say, him no move from when they from 2016? Una sick in the head, bro. I'm telling you already, you know, bro. Una last in the past, you know. Yeah, man. Una vision, I see back. You know, I realize people, them always I bring up 2016, zine. But when I realize, you see them vision, you know, past 2020 vision yet. At 2016, them still in a. So it's like them now see what I go on. Brother, in a 2026, out of the top 5 artists, Alkaline have all our bookings them right now. We are headline the big show. See the youth are going at Barclays right now. You understand? March the 21st. How much artists we both from 2013 can do that? We are talking about the young generation them. How much artists can do that? Because we not talk about levels, you know. As me say, we not pass 2020 vision. But people, listen what them say.
The only way Alkaline move from where they right now is if he feud against Masicka. And the only way Masicka go up on a different level than when they on right now is if you are with Alkaline.
Mega Man. Brother, I don't know where you get the argument from. What you mean by level? I don't understand that. I don't understand, brother. What you mean move to the next level? So, alright. You talk about levels. Masicka and Tamil you are a while ago. Where it put them to a next level? Like, where it do for them? Like, it put them to a next level? That more I know. Where it do for them? It make them solo in the arena? Wow, what happened? Because Masicka drop a EP with there and there is no numbers. It not even make the billboard. So when you talk about clash, if Alkaline clash Masicka, different level, bro, Masicka don't see Alkaline level. You realize last year in 2025, when the arena statement them are going and the arena show them and headline them, you realize that Masicka is not in that topic, brother. You realize? It's like, brother, yo, I'm telling you already, you know, if you last to know, you know, you really go see who is the key man in the dancehall. Remember me tell you that, cause you not realize, bro, Alkaline are the man, brother. All you not try fabricate and a delulu around the thing. It right front on the face. Because, let me tell you, you see when Alkaline touch you in a Barclays, hey, ratted. A bag of balling. May I tell you that? A bag of balling. You understand? So you can't go and stick back. Yo, 2016, me tell you already. You not get no 2020 vision yet. You still in a 2016. You understand? Because you go see the wagon a pass. Remember me tell you that.
Cartel war can't do nothing for him.
Yeah,
Me not ask you. It cannot do anything for him. Because Vice Cartel don't have anything to prove. This man zero dance album 10 times as me just say.
How much time Masicka go on dancehall already?
How? Which part? How? When?
Yeah, man, say Cartel zero dancehall more than 10 times. You know. Bro, sometimes I understand say no fan out, bro, but when I make some talk, bro, I make it look away, brother. Is it zero dancehall 10 time? I don't understand that. If I'm on a zero dancehall 10 time, you know, him supposed to sell some thousands of copy of album. You understand? Because when you have zero the game 10 time, I don't know normal that, brother. So I don't know what you mean by that still, but your opinion that
Do figure out dancer.
So what you saying? 438. And since even me, all the reasons, see?
Yeah.
But tapping a piece there, that's the 438. They said no artist never run 1 year in a dance solid. See? So when the Masicka released 438 late December 2020 and going into 2021, who do you think dominated that year? Wouldn't you say Masicka of dancehall and palm from that time until now?
So that means that I'm alone around dancehall. No other artist now find a hit on it. Multiple hits.
Hit, but over a hit bigger than Fame hit in all these years from 2021
Which one is
until 2025.
Which song? Which
like
big hit?
like we can name like the biggest hit any other artist in any other year them and name Masicka top song for that year. That's which one of the two songs them are the bigger.
Well,
are the bigger.
Yo, to tell you the truth, in a pandemic time, the boy, a whole heap of fuckery banging tune and scamming tune, dog. A whole heap of fuckery that release, dog. I'm not lie. So I can't forward and say, yo, this is artist or that is artist.
Yeah.
But I know music in a release.
Yeah.
Because I know them time there. You know them time the skill bang and do them things same way, man.
Yeah, man, I'm still get
You understand? Labas now them thing in them time the same way, man. So I say, no one artist never.
yo, I choose Skilly Bang and Laba say Gaza, you know. Because see, there's so many artists down at them time, they king them, the whole of them and them, Josh them, the whole of them. You understand? But him no want call them the name there. You see me?
Yo, no one artist no take no year for themselves. We are just them alone, brother.
Okay, so basically I say none of the artists them never take, so Gaza fan them Cartel never get no year. When you run then, Kris Genius said that Cartel no artist never get no year when they run off. You understand? Cause them money are frosty, they don't know them I say, you see it?
No, we saw you tell me say. For 2021, Masicka have 5 hit song.
You never believe so?
Hit song, you know. We don't talk about no song where people are Jamaican, you know.
You never believe so? How much song of an album it?
Yo, that brother, man, fresh out, yo. Brother, man, drunk. Yo, that brother, what not reason, dog? Brother, just it's sober thing. Just go and work with that, bro. On a fresh out on the podcast, dog. You understand? Cause we not chat a one bag of thing about Masicka and hit song and every look. Bro, you know, me realize people, they must say Masicka a drop pay hit song. But it's like, the bag of hit song them can't pay off. I don't understand why this man get it hit song on every chart when go on a Jamaica. Why the song them only a hit a Jamaica? At that. Because me think say hit song would have go over in the diaspora and thing. You understand? Oh, Masicka I get so much hit song, you know say. But him can't headline one big show and pull some big crowd. Me not understand that. Because remember one time Masicka booked for one show down at Mobile in Alkaline. And less than 200 people forward. And them time them do that say Masicka drop the song them, so me not understand what really are going on. Bro, we don't even look into these things, you know. Because when say some man a drop hit song, but when you drop so much hit song, why we can't see the impact of the hit song them? That more I know people. It's like it come like say Masicka sang them past airport normal manly. Or Songsters International Airport. Me don't know people, to be honest. Because the last time I see Masicka go BRT, the crowd just stand up dead pan the man. Me I wonder, bro, no this man didn't say drop a bag of hits them. You understand? Me don't know if you no fool Masicka for hype him up, but true me know say man the guys are not good now. Them gonna talk a one bag of thing. I remember when Mega Mind him, you know, usually forward out and say, yo, Masicka the money, you know, where them time they a link with Vice Cartel. But now, she link mash up now, mouth change. You understand? Mouth change right now, so. But bro, I just feel like say with Masicka music them and career, I think you don't really understand what's really going on. Because Masicka forward in a game football now. 11 years. No. I mean I game long time before that. But like if you say him get the break, yeah, that's about 11 years. Right? And we can't see no impact when Masicka do. When I talk about no local thing, when I talk about international impact, that you want. Big shows are going. And Masicka nah do nothing, nah do no pulling. Him can't pull no crowd. You understand? By himself. The last time we him pull must say what? How much he said? 300 people? Over one bar in I must say St. Vincent name Cocky Turk or something like so. And over there so we him put 300 people. So bro, I don't know what I want to see Masicka career as, but right now it's sticky for 2026, man. I tell you that. It really sticky, bro. You see it? It really sticky right now. Because I'm tell you this what I go on, people. I tell you what I go on. It's when Masicka dropping song them. You see True Money Gaza no link, everything I go flop. May I tell you that? Just look. May I prophesize it for you here. Every song when him drop. You see how them usually prep it up back then when man cartel a link? Them I go say everything flop. Just look what I go on. Look what I go on for you here. You understand? Just look what I go on. So, them man over there I talk more while you have to just say yo, but when him go talk about Alkaline now, him no move from the 11 from 2016. Kris Genius, you're sick dog, may I tell you. You're sick, if you not see growth, you don't know where you live. And a dancehall lane, brother. You understand? You over genre over China. Chinatown in Boom Wang Lee. And that genre there in. You understand? Yeah man. Or you go over Japan, Fing Fang Fu, over them genre there. You know a dancehall there, brother. I tell you that. You understand? Because people, to be honest, tell the goddamn, just tell the truth. Which dancehall artists from 2013 were boss after 2013? Right? Young generation. Where I do arena, a headliner arena. Tell me which artists were boss from 20, you have a comment, you know. Which artists in 2013? Right? Boss after 2013. Where a headline a arena internationally. Tell me which artist. It in the comment, people. So let me know what I go on. You see me?
We don't know people about everything.
No. You know your album. How much song you want to say after album?
Yo.
In a year, I say.
You remember that song?
Yeah man, people. Big up on yourself, you know, people. You don't know your things set, you know. As I say, people, in a comment, tell me which artists were boss after 2013 were a headliner of an arena in a 2026 are forwarding up to 2026. Which artists were a headliner arena or how much artists are do it? Because if Mega Mine I go say Alkaline now move to another level from 2016. I guess him blind, as me say over Wing Wang Lee and Xing Wang Shu, Jana Rhyme there. So I just saw the things that people, but big up in the people who don't know the things that are one media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it.